Alright guys, how's it going? I'm here to show you guys how to download this share funnel into your new Clickfunnels account. But before you do anything, you must get your first or your free trial of Clickfunnels. Now this is going to be the main page that you start on. First, watch this video. It explains everything about what this funnel does and how it works. You can go over this, get your dream car paid for. Basically, if you get 100 people under you to sign up, ClickFunnels will pay you $500 towards your brand new car. And if you get 200 people to sign up under you, they'll pay you $1,000 towards your new car. All right. So first of all, go over these videos first. Okay, this is done by Rachel S. Lee. I like her video, so that's why I'm keeping hers. And you go to get your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. Okay. This video will explain how to get your free 14-day trial. But all you have to do is scroll down here, and down here will be a button that says "Get your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels." Or you can just go over to download and install your done-for-you marketing system and click on download your done-for-you system here. It'll take you to a sign-up link where you have to sign up for ClickFunnels. And I'm already logged in, so if I click it, it's going to automatically install this specific share funnel. Okay. So once you download that, we're going to the next step. Okay. On the next video, I'll show you how to set up your email marketing system with Aweber. So it's pretty simple, but basically your first step is to get your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels and then download this automatic system into your account. Okay, I'll go over exactly what it is right now. Basically, you're going to have You're going to have a basic opt-in page at first. It says you guys are going to edit this, put a picture of you obviously up there, but you can keep everything. Attention, discover how a 29-year-old single father was able to quit his day job and start earning a passive income from home with his exact done-for-you system. Now, once you basically get into the system, you're going to come up here where you are able to get your free 14-day trial. This is another way to get everything. And then you kind of click down here to let's get started and set up your done-for-you online marketing system. And bam, this is exactly all the steps that you need to do. The first step, obviously, watch this video. The second step is get your free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. And download this into your account. And you're going to change the affiliate links to your own. Now I'll go over how to do that in the next step. And then you sign up for Aweber, connect it to your account, test it, and then send traffic, and you are all set. Okay. So after you download this system, we're going to set up your Aweber account with okay? So let's get ready for the next video, and I'll show you how to set up your account with Aweber. Now, I recommend Aweber because most autoresponders don't really like affiliate marketing, and this is exactly what affiliate marketing is. So Aweber doesn't mind it, so I highly recommend getting Aweber, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that on the next step. Okay, you're gonna have to sign up for an account right here first, or right here. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.